I was gonna push on your, touch you, like poke you in the back from right there, but that rock's slippery, almost fell into you. I'm pretty sure it slipped though. I had my foot right here and it slipped. It's very slippery up here. Up here? Yeah. Oh, they'll end up in the river.
Down here, I should say.
Tripping.
Oh, check that thing out. That looks nifty. Getting ball shot. Check this out. You ever been in a rainforest before? Well,